Hi, I'm Barbara O'Neill, and today I'm going to show you the best foods that are guaranteed to help rebuild your muscles fast, even if you're over 80. Are you finding it harder to climb stairs? Or noticing your legs feeling weaker and unstable? It's like they forgot how to hold you up. For millions of seniors, this is how muscle loss silently creeps in. It's easy to blame it on age, but what if that slow loss of strength is actually a warning sign? Your muscles are starving for something they're not getting. Well, these simple foods are exactly all you need. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me till the end, because in just a moment, I'll walk you through exactly what they are, why they work, and how you can start seeing results in weeks. Trust me, once you see how easy it is, you'll never need any pills again. First, let's take a moment to understand why millions of seniors are losing muscles. One of the reasons is because of your nerve loss.
If your legs are getting weaker as you get older, you're not alone, and British researchers believe it's due to a loss of nerves. In tests, they found that young adults have 60 to 70,000 nerves controlling leg movement, but that number drops nearly a third by age 75.
Another cause of muscle loss is diabetes, particularly poorly controlled type 2 diabetes. Some people also refer to it as diabetic neuropathy. And it happens when high blood sugar levels damage the small blood vessels that supply nerves, especially in the hands and feet. Another reason is something happening inside your body that most people don't even realise. It's called sarcopenia, and it's quietly chipping away at your muscle strength, your balance, and even your independence. No pain, no warning signs. Just slow, silent muscle loss that becomes more obvious when everyday things start feeling harder, like getting up from a chair, keeping your balance, or feeling steady on your feet. But here's the thing. This isn't just about feeling tired or out of shape. The World Health Organization now officially recognizes sarcopenia as a disease, and it's way more common than you think. According to Harvard Medical School, people can lose up to 33% of their muscle mass after age 60, even if they eat well and feel healthy. And for many seniors, that loss actually starts in their 50s. But don't panic, because I have good news for you. One study found that 91% of adults over 70 regained noticeable muscle mass in just 6 weeks. And they didn't do anything extreme. Just a few simple nutrition tweaks made a powerful difference. In women, menopause can be another reason.
How does menopause affect women's bodies?
Well, first of all, menopause affects every part of a woman's body. And just like you said, it's coming, whether it's coming like Christmas and tax day, so we better be prepared for it. And our best defense is going to be supporting the health of skeletal muscle. A woman might lose 10% of their muscle mass throughout
really significant.
Yes, throughout their menopause transition.
Now let's dive into the foods that can help with this debilitating problem. Number 1, eggs. Besides being a classic breakfast staple, eggs are one of the most complete muscle repairing foods you can eat, especially for seniors. Whole eggs, not just the whites, contain essential nutrients that directly support muscle strength and maintenance. Egg yolks are rich in leucine, a key amino acid that helps stimulate muscle repair. This is especially important for older adults whose bodies naturally become less efficient at rebuilding muscle. Eggs also contain vitamin D and B12, both essential for muscle strength, balance, and fall prevention, especially in seniors. Another reason they're so effective is because of their high-quality protein content. One egg delivers around 7 grams of protein, including all 9 essential amino acids. These help preserve lean mass, improve recovery, and support balance and mobility. Not to mention, protein from whole foods like eggs is easier for the body to absorb and use than from processed sources. When choosing your eggs, go for pasture-raised or organic if possible, and avoid egg substitutes or processed liquid eggs. They often lack the full nutritional profile. All in all, eggs are a muscle-building powerhouse for seniors. But if you're looking for a powerful, plant-based option that supports muscle just as well, there's one food most seniors completely overlook. Before we continue, we are giving away 50 copies of my best-selling book to our loyal viewers who engage with our contents. So if you haven't already liked the video, comment on which of these foods you will try and also share this video. Number 2, lentils and beans. Lentils and beans are brimming with muscle-building plant protein, and that's exactly what your aging muscles need to stay strong. In fact, research shows that older adults who regularly eat legumes as part of their weekly diet maintain more lean muscle mass than those who don't. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you up to 18 grams of protein, plus complex carbs that fuel muscle recovery. That combination supports muscle maintenance and growth, especially important if you're over 60 and dealing with age muscle loss. They're also loaded with iron and magnesium, 2 minerals that help with muscle contraction and energy production. And because lentils and beans digest slowly, they help maintain stable energy for longer periods, making movement and daily tasks easier to handle. With all this in mind, try adding lentils or beans to soups, salads or stews a few times a week. Just steer clear of overly processed canned versions with added salt or preservatives. Lentils and beans are plant-based muscle fuel when it's pure. Number 3, brown rice. Brown rice is more than just a side dish. It's one of the best slow-digesting carbs for preserving muscle loss. Unlike white rice, it's loaded with magnesium and B vitamins, both of which play key roles in muscle contraction, recovery and energy production. In one study involving older adults, found that those who consumed complex carbs like brown rice rather than fast-digesting refined grains retained more lean muscle and experienced less fatigue throughout the day. Brown rice is also a good source of plant-based protein and contains amino acids that support muscle repair. Plus, the fibre in brown rice helps control blood sugar spikes, which can indirectly protect muscle tissue by keeping insulin levels stable. As well as a clean and steady energy source, brown rice still contains carbs, so moderation matters. Stick to half a cup to 1 cup per serving, especially if you're less active. Flax seeds is another muscle-supporting food that works differently, but more on that coming up. Now, if you're looking for a healthy fat that actually protects your muscles while reducing inflammation, then you will love this next one. For those who stayed until the end with me, I will share my absolute favourite food for supporting my muscle health. You will be surprised how simple it is. Number 4, fatty fish. I'm sure you've all heard about the benefits of eating salmon or mackerel. These oily fish are known for supporting heart and brain health, but what many seniors don't realise is that they're also powerful protectors of your muscle mass. That's because fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA. In a 2012 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who took 3.36 grams of omega-3 fatty acids daily for 6 months increased muscle protein synthesis and gained 2.2 pounds of lean muscle mass without changing their diet or exercise routine. Fatty fish are also high in vitamin D and high-quality protein, both essential for maintaining strength, balance and recovery as you age. The combination helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is one of the hidden causes of age muscle loss. For best results, aim to eat fatty fish like salmon, sardines or mackerel 2 to 3 times per week. Just make sure it's wild caught when possible, as it typically has a better omega-3 profile than farmed fish. Next is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain a powerhouse mineral called magnesium. And that's exactly one of the things your muscles need to stay strong and functional. Just like how cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon helps with fat burning, magnesium plays a direct role in muscle contraction, repair and recovery. These seeds are also a great source of zinc, which helps support testosterone levels and cellular repair, two key factors in keeping muscle tissue healthy as you age. Low magnesium or zinc levels are surprisingly common in older adults, and both can quietly contribute to weakness or fatigue over time. So, sprinkle a handful of pumpkin seeds on your salad, mix them into oatmeal, or enjoy them plain as a midday boost. While pumpkin seeds are great, this next one is a full-on muscle meal. Yet most seniors never even think to eat it. Number 6, tofu and tempeh. Thinking that only meat can help rebuild muscle? Not quite. While meat is a solid option, tofu and tempeh are also great options. These soy-based foods have been staples in Okinawa, Japan, one of the longest living cultures on earth, and their benefits for aging muscles are hard to ignore. They're rich in complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and recover, something many plant-based foods can't offer. Tempeh goes a step further by offering natural probiotics, which help improve nutrient absorption so your body actually uses the protein and minerals you eat. Both tofu and tempeh are also rich in calcium, phosphorus, and isoflavones, nutrients that help support strong bones, reduce muscle inflammation, and promote better recovery in older adults. If you're not into the soft texture of tofu, try tempeh. It's firmer, nuttier, and easy to slice, marinate, and toss into a stir-fry. Soy milk and edamame also offer similar muscle-supporting benefits if you want more variety. And while tofu and tempeh fuel muscle from the inside, the next food does something incredible for the outside, especially your skin. Number 7, avocados. Avocados offer more than just a creamy texture. They're one of the rare foods that help your body recover on the inside and shine on the outside. When it comes to muscle health, they do something a little different. They help your body absorb the nutrients that keep muscles strong, especially fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for everything from energy metabolism to tissue repair, and without enough healthy fat in your meals, your body simply can't use them efficiently. That's why avocados are a perfect pairing with other muscle-boosting foods. On the outside, they support skin regeneration thanks to their natural supply of vitamin E and C, two nutrients that help your skin stay smooth, elastic, and protected from age damage. If you're not a fan of eating them plain, try adding avocado to a salad, smoothie, or spreading it on whole grain toast. But if you're craving something that can easily mixed into jest and you barely notice it, then next one's for you. I'm talking about flax seeds. They might be small, but flax seeds are a powerful addition to any senior's diet, especially if you're working to maintain strength and energy. One of their standout features is lignans, a type of plant compound that helps balance hormone levels. That's especially important for postmenopausal women, where a natural drop in estrogen can quietly speed up muscle loss. Flax seeds also support healthy blood flow, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscle cells during activity and recovery. Better circulation means better repair, and that's something your muscles need more of as you age. In one study, adults who added flax to their daily diet saw improvements in insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, both of which help reduce energy dips and support more consistent movement throughout the day. You'll want to use ground flaxseed, since whole seeds can pass through your system undigested. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Try stirring it into oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. Personally, I love blending it into a protein shake with cinnamon and almond milk. It's simple, satisfying, and your muscles will thank you. How do you like your flax? Let me know below. For those who stayed until the end with me, here's the one I promised, my absolute favourite food for supporting muscle health. Oat. Who doesn't love a warm bowl of oatmeal? But here's the part most people don't realise. Oats are loaded with complex carbs and plant-based protein, making them one of the best slow-burning fuels for seniors trying to maintain muscle and energy throughout the day. And they also contain beta-glucan, a special kind of fibre that supports heart health and steady blood sugar. Two things that directly impact how well your body recovers and moves. To get the most out of oats for your muscles, the best way to make them is simple. Use steel-cut or rolled oats and cook them with unsweetened almond milk or water. Then stir in a scoop of Greek yogurt or protein powder for added protein. Top it off with flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, or even a handful of berries for antioxidants. It's a full-on required meal in one bowl, and the best part is it's easy to chew, easy to digest, and easy to love. But here's the question for you. Did you know that there are vitamins that can help improve your vision? Make sure to watch this next video that'll tell you everything you need to know.